Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable game mode on Alienware Aurora 16 laptop. So, in order to enable the Windows game mode, we have to go to Start menu, open Settings, then open Gaming on the sidebar, then go to Game Mode and switch the toggle on. Now, this is half of the job done. So in order to actually prepare your device for gaming, you're gonna need to open the Alienware Command Center application. So make sure that you have it on your PC. If you don't, you can download it from the Dell support website. Once you download the application and run the installer, just open this app, skip the introduction screen, go to Performance, and change it from Balanced to either Performance, or if we need even better performance, you can go with Overdrive. Also, in Settings, you can go to Performance and switch MUX switch to DGPU only, which will also ensure you some additional FPS. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.